Are you tired of your kids using the AC remote as a toy? It's frustrating when you finally get the temperature perfect, only for a child to fiddle with the settings and change everything. In this video, I'll show you how to kid-proof your Panasonic AC remote using the lock feature. At the bottom of the remote, you'll see a small button labeled clock/lock. All you have to do is press and hold this button for a few seconds. Once the word lock appears on the screen, the remote is officially child-proofed. Now, no matter how many buttons the kids press, your AC settings stay exactly where you left them. To get back to normal, just hold that same clock/lock button again for a few seconds until lock disappears. No more accidental setting changes. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more tips like this.